It's Mr. Logue. In this lesson, we're going to be multiplying a decimal number by a whole number. Here's an example calculation, 0.17 times 3. So these calculations will be all in the tenths multiplied by a whole number. Here's a little top tip for when we're calculating. We can use the times table facts we already know to help us answer. If we know 2 times 4 is 8, then 0.2 times 4, well 0.2 is 10 times smaller than 2, so the answer is going to be 10 times smaller, 0.8. Same with this calculation, 5 times 3 is 15, so 0.5 times 3 is 1.5. We just need to remember to pop that decimal point in the correct place in our answer. Use the times tables facts we know to help us. Right, let's have a look at this calculation again. 0.7 times 3. So if you like to help you with your decimal point placing, you can set it out in a little column method. And you can say 3 times 7, well 3 sevens is 21. 3 times 0 is nothing. Decimal point is there, the decimal point there goes in our answer. Here's another example, 0.4 times 9. Again, I'm going to set it out in a column method because that helps me remember about the decimal place. So the fact that helps me here, 9 times 4. 9 times 4 is 36. Of course, 9 times 0 is going to be 0. Decimal point is there, so decimal point goes there. 0.4 times 9 is 3.6. We also might see a calculation like this, where we have a whole number that is 2 digits, so in the tens. We can still do it the same way, setting out as a column method. The reason it's like this is because the decimal point is going to be in the right place to help us with the answer. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 0 will be nothing. Place value holder goes in here. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 0 is 0. Add those together. 5 and 0 is 5. 2 and 5 is 7. Decimal point 7.5. Here are 5 calculations for you to have a go at using that method. 0.6 times 2, 0.3 times 4, 0.5 times 7, 0.2 times 15, and 0.04 times 6. You should pause the video now, solve them, and then unpause to check your answers. Here come the answers. 0.6 times 2 is 1.2. 0.3 times 4 is 1.2. 0.5 times 7 is 3.5. 0.2 times 15 is 3. 0.04 times 6 is 0.24. Just remember that top tip when you're working with decimal numbers multiplied by whole numbers. Think what the number fact is without the decimal point to help you, and your answer will be 10 times smaller. And that's our lesson on multiplying decimal numbers by whole numbers. Bye for now.